Offered here is a beautiful 1956 Lincoln Continental Mark II, finished in factory-correct black 01 over white leather and deep gray matelassé cloth seating upholstery with deep gray carpet. Features on this example include the exclusive trunk-mounted air conditioning system with ceiling ventilation, power windows, power steering, power brakes, power front seat, tinted window glass, driver's side outside mirror, wide white wall radial tires, full wheel covers, town and country signal-seeking radio, heat and defrost, and more. Our biggest and most expensive contribution was the complete replacement of the entire interior. This included everything from a new headliner down to the padded carpeting. Showing only 57,800 miles, much of its ownership history is documented, including the original owner. This car has spent the past 17 years in California. For those looking for a prestigious automobile that checks all the boxes in a classic luxury arena, look no further. This remains as exclusive an automobile today as it did in 1956, perhaps even more so. Upon arrival to the museum, we performed a very comprehensive inspection, followed by a thorough servicing of all major components. Powered by its original 368 Ci V8 engine, producing a stout 285 horsepower through a turbodrive automatic transmission. Please call to learn more about this Continental or present an offer. Thanks for looking.